Hello guys, welcome to Command On. Today we will discuss about electronic signatures in Excel. How we can remove the white background of our signature in Excel. So we will go to Excel, insert our signature that we have with ourselves. As you see, we have brought our signature. So in here we will do what? We have a white background. We will go to color, select set transparent color. After that we will select or click on the white background of our signature, and it will destroy the white background and remove the background, and our signature now can be used in Excel without any background. Thank you guys. Goodbye.